Hey there, and welcome to an edition of Trivia Tuesday at the Gem Shopping Network. I'm Tara, your celebrity stylist, and it's the month of May, a time to feel alive. That may explain why the May birthstone is emerald, a gemstone that symbolizes new growth. So in honor of May babies like myself, let's see how much you know about emeralds. Question 1. The lush green color of emerald symbolizes fertility and life to which ancient civilization? A. Greek, B. Egyptian, C. Persian, and D. Aztec. The correct answer is B. The ancient Egyptians believed the green color of emerald symbolized fertility and life. On to question number 2. In addition to Brazil, what South American country has significant deposits of emerald? A. Chile, B. Venezuela, C. Colombia, or D. Peru? If you picked C, then you are correct, Colombia. While various gemstones can be found throughout South America, Colombia and Brazil have the biggest deposits of emerald in the continent. Question number 3. What goddess did ancient Romans dedicate the emeralds to? A. Juno, B. Ceres, C. Minerva, and D. Venus. The correct answer is D. Venus, the goddess of love and beauty. Question number 4. This is a true or false. Emeralds with no inclusions visible to the naked eye are very rare. That statement is true. Emeralds usually contain inclusions visible to the naked eye. The value of an emerald increases when it doesn't have visible inclusions because it's so rare. Question number 5. What does ancient legend say about emeralds? A. Wearing them can bring riches and power. B. Wearing them can protect from evil spirits. C. Queen Cleopatra had a great passion for them. Or D. All of the above. D. All of the above is the correct answer. Emeralds were believed to bring riches and power and protect from evil spirits when wearing them. Queen Cleopatra liked emeralds so much that she was infamous for using them on her royal adornments. Well, that ends this round of You Think You Know Emeralds. Here at the Gem Shopping Network, we feature emeralds in various estate, designer, and contemporary jewelry. Follow the link below this video to tune in for a chance to find the perfect emerald for yourself or someone close to your heart.